Ang isang pinaka nakakatakot na tanong ay, if you lose your job today, if I lose my job today, how long will I survive? Diba? Maraming nakaranas niyan sa atin at real talk yan. Laging pinaka mahalaga o pinaka importante ay yung maghanda. Diba? Karamihan ayaw sa ating maghanda. Totoo naman yan. It was not training when no one built the art, sabi nga. So kung gusto natin na magandang buhay, di ba magsisimula na tayo ngayon. Pero dahil ito ay usapin sa pera, may iba't ibang areas tayo to learn. How to create financial plan, how to build solid financial foundation, how to manage our debts, paano mag-invest with purpose, paano maka-earn ng passive income, road to financial freedom, and so on. Start with financial education. Biid na community of savers and investors at matuto pa. Napakarami. Get in touch with me so that I can guide you. Thank you so much and see you on the next